Turn your head. Turn your head. Please. Good. You've got the good lead, so keep cantering. Adjust your stirrup and slide your heel down. Now turn your head again. Lock in on your target. Look, look, look more. There. Come forward. Look, back to the trot. Hold. Hold. Come on. Good. Eyes up. Got your hand on her neck over the jump. Good.